26711 Northwestern Highway. We got ThyssenKrupp. Look at this, we got green buttons. Okay, what's going up? Let's go 6. It's got the generic voice on it. Look at this, guys. This fan is a heater. It's a heater fan. Isn't that cool? Here's your call button. These are fixtures are ThyssenKrupp MODfusion. I do not know what these originally were. Here's a view real quick outside. Over here, just down there is MODfusion Center with the US elevators. Look at that. That is so cool. I've never seen green on ThyssenKrupp before. Look at this. Door close works after a certain amount of time. First floor. We are at first floor. Let's get a cab view real quick. Very cool. I've never seen green ThyssenKrupp before. Look at this. Send this up. And we'll get the other one. There goes that one. We got an innovation lantern, it appears. Look at this call button. Here it comes. Okay, there's no one in here. Go 6. Here we go 6. No heater in this one. This one just has a fan, which is turned off. Here we are at 6th floor. Go 5, why not? These are traction, by the way. Button already went out. 5th floor. Just another surface mount call station. Floor. All right, we'll end it out here. Okay, that'll be it.